it's me again. I lowered the screen because, well, there's too much glare up here. No, just kidding. Anyway, yeah, I got a kind of an unusual video I'm doing today. I've been wanting to do this for a while because I buy weird things and I figure, you know what, I'll show it off on YouTube and who knows, maybe somebody will like it. But I picked up this thing, which I thought is cool. Everybody by now knows what this little creature is. It's a Baby Yoda. But this one is special because it's a Baby Yoda Bop-it. Yeah, see?
Bop-it to start.
See?
I score 52.
Watch.
Bop-it. Twist it. Pull it. Pull it.
See?
Easy. Score 3.
Isn't that the coolest toy ever? I mean, a Yoda Bop-it? I mean, come on now. If you don't like The Mandalorian, or at least some Star Wars thing, you have to love Yoda Bop-it.
Hey, let's give it a rest.
Let's give it a rest. I really want to take this, like, what I really would like to do is make a video, and when I, take the sounds off them, and use some of my tools and be like, Bop it. See,
I score 52.
That's my high score in there. But yeah, see, Bop it.
Twist it.
Twist it.
Pull it.
Pull it.
Bop it.
Bop it.
Bop it.
Bop it.
Pull it.
Pull it.
Twist it.
Twist it.
Pull it. Pull it. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Twist it. Bop it. Pull it. Pull it. Twist it. Twist it. Bop it. Twist it. Bop it.
Oh, I did the wrong
Why
one.
so slow? Score 20.
Why so slow? Thing's even like this thing is even like, yeah, you're slow. Like, come on now. This is the best one ever. Like the regular Bop-it with the colors. No, this Bop-it's got ears.
Hey, let's give it a rest.
They leave screw holes in it, so I can find another one, take apart, and put it like on something else. His little legs here. So watch this. His little legs go. See? Then he has a little spinny head. Oh, Yoda baby. And then you push his head down.
Bop it to start.
It's a pretty cool toy. I mean,
Quiet.
see, loud, blasting, quiet, blasting, and then there's this way too.
Quiet, loud, blasting.
See?
I score 52. Bop it.
It has that Bop-it thing. So anyway, if you ever see one of these and you don't have one, like at least sitting way back here in the thing, everybody loves Baby
Bop
Yoda.
it to start.
So anyway, if you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe. It's not a kid's video. It's a Baby Yoda Bop-it video. So this is the coolest thing I've ever seen. But anyway, this is like the only time you'll see me smile in a video. I like some toys. I mean, hey, who doesn't like toys? But if you're going to pick up a toy, you're bored in a car, get one of these. It's got ears. What kind of toy talks to you, makes noise, and look, it has ears. You can hold it by the ears. It's got toes and everything. Anyway, that's enough of this shit. Good luck, and like, subscribe, tell all your friends about my channel, and buy a Yoda. Only bacon.